1. Fill in the blanks with suitable answers. 1. The true development of India is the development of its villages. This was told by Gandhiji. 2. After the 73rd Amendment to the Constitution, 3-tier levels of Panchayat institutions have come into existence. 3. Panchayat institutions operate under democratic principles. 4. The democratic have been brought into existence in order to bring together poor rural women and make them financially independent. 2. Answer in a sentence each. 1. Explain the meaning of rural development. Answer. Rural development is improvement of the social and economic status of the rural people by proper utilization of the locally available natural and human resources. 2. Answer in a sentence each. 2. What is meant by decentralization? Answer. Providing the administrative power and the responsibilities of developing the villages to its own people is called decentralization. 3. Name the 3 levels of Panchayat Raj institutions. 3. Zilla Panchayat. 4. Mention any 2 housing programs. Answer. The housing projects are Indira Awas Yojana, Ambedkar Vamiki Housing Project, Ashraya Yojana etc. 3. Answer the following questions in 5 to 6 sentences each. 1. How is the economic situation in the rural areas of India? Answer. Poverty has increased among the rural people who depend primarily on agriculture. Under the onslaught of modernization, rural cottage industries are vanishing, unable to withstand the competition. Though 60% of the people work in the primary sector, the contribution from this sector to the national income is very less, and is reducing year by year. Due to this, the gap between urban and rural areas is increasing gradually. Two. Explain briefly the significance of rural development. This generates additional employment and leading to an expansion of those sectors too. Three. Explain Gandhiji's concept of Grama Swarajya in the light of decentralization. Answer. Mahatma Gandhiji had declared, independence should begin with villages first, and each village should be democratic unit with people's rule. Providing the administrative power and the responsibility of developing the village to its own people is called administrative decentralization. Through decentralization, self-reliant, self-sufficient and prosperous villages can be developed. This process was called Grama Swarajya by Mahatma Gandhi. Four. What is the role of Panchayat Raj institutions in rural development? They provide the rural community with basic facilities of roads, drains, drinking water, street lights, toilets, schools and hospital buildings, market yards, etc.